Hey everyone! So today I will be discussing what I believe to be a very important topic as well as an important part of metabolism: ketone synthesis, ketosis, and ketoacidosis. So before I begin, I just wanted to give a little bit of a background on glucose and the importance of glucose. Glucose is the body's main energy source as well as our brain's main energy source. After we eat, glucose gets converted to what is called pyruvate. Now, once that conversion happens, pyruvate becomes acetyl coenzyme A. Once acetyl coenzyme A is produced, it can further be used for energy, or in other words, ATP. Not only can acetyl coenzyme A be made from glucose, but it can also be made from fatty acids. Alright, so now that I gave you a little bit of a background on glucose and acetyl coenzyme A, it is time to discuss what happens during this low-carb keto diet. Acetyl coenzyme A enters what is called the tricarboxylic acid cycle, and this is a very important cycle within the stage of metabolism of glucose. It is the second step. When one follows a low-carb diet, or this ketogenic diet, or they don't have enough functioning insulin to allow glucose in their body cells, the TCA cycle decreases, and that is not good. The activity of this cycle decreases. Since the breakdown of the fat being eaten is still going on because we're still eating the fat, the acetyl coenzyme A builds up. Because what happens is we're in a carb depletion stage, we're still eating fat, but there's not enough for the acetyl to go into this cycle. The buildup is too much for the decreased functioning TCA cycle to metabolize, so the formation of ketone bodies begins. During the times of a low-carb diets, during the time of these keto diets, our body produces so many ketone bodies, which are eventually released in our blood. They are then used for brain, body, and cell fuel, since glucose is unavailable, because glucose normally comes from carbohydrate foods that we eat. However, this energy is usually insufficient compared to the energy from glucose or from other fatty acids. Now, what exactly is ketosis? Ketosis occurs when ketone production is greater than what our body cells can use, causing a rise in blood and urine levels. This can become toxic. This acidic ketone bodies lower our blood pH, eventually causing too much urination and in turn, dehydration. Too much of a drop in blood pH and dehydration can cause what is known as ketoacidosis. This is a very much more serious case. Although the keto diet is recommended for certain things like diabetes and even epilepsy, it's really important to discuss with a doctor if it's right for you. Thank you.